So the next part I want to show you is the bridge tool. But we need a place where we can bridge. I'm going to just select these faces here and delete them. It's going to leave a big hole in the back. In Edit Mesh, there's a fill hole, but first I have to, double click these edges and then go to Mesh, Fill Hole. And now I want to create a place for the bottom of our handle and the top of our handle, and I'm going to delete both of those. And then I'm going to select the border edge here and the border edge here. With the edge selected, I double clicked on this hole. So edge, double click. Let's go back here, and then the bridge tool is going to create kind of a loop here. Let's see what happens. So bridge. So something happened, but it doesn't look like anything we want. So let's first make this a curve, and then it looks like it's twisting incorrectly. So our bridge offset, what it does is it connects this edge to this edge, and it was connecting the wrong edge to the wrong edge. And we can say we want more divisions, or let's say we want 7 divisions, but it still looks cramped and it just doesn't look that good. Well, we can hit the number 4 that goes into wireframe. What we should see in here is a curve, but we may have curves off. So we want to go to Display, Polygons, and we want to make sure we see our curves. Why can't I see my curves? Great. We can check to see if we have a curve. Maybe it created it without one. So we can double check there in the outliner, and there is a curve, but it's the one there. So I guess it created it and deleted it if you go through. But just as I think we would have to specify in the bridge options that we want to keep our curve. So I'm going to undo. Alright, and then go to Edit Mesh, Bridge option box, and there's a thing that says Smooth Path plus Curve. You know what? I wonder if I were to go back, if I could. I probably just select the Smooth Path instead of Smooth Path plus Curve. So we want the curve, and we hit Bridge, and again I'm going to hit 5 to go back to shaded mode. It's twisted, so we take the bridge offset, and now it's not twisted anymore. Go to 4, and then that line in the middle is the curve. So we want to now, how do you select the curve? So what I would probably do here is go and select the curve in the outliner. And once it's selected, you can hit it and hit Control Vertices. And as I manipulate these control vertices, it can change the shape of my handle. So I'm manipulating the curve, and that curve controls the geometry. Okay, I'm going to hit 5, and you can just see what's happening here. And so that's kind of the extrude and the bridge. Both of these tools take a bit of practice but you can do some really neat things with them. I hope this was useful for you, and in the next tutorial we might come and clean this up some and go from there.